Hello everyone, it's me Zubair Arafat. Today I'll show you how you can host your personal or your project website on Microsoft Azure, and I think it will be the easiest way. For that, first we have to open our Microsoft Azure account, and here we have an option like Microsoft Azure AI service. Then we have a app service. We have to click on app service, and then we have to create web apps. Then obviously you have to take your subscription, and here we have to give the web name. So I think it's a test web 123. Okay, it's not okay. Test web. Okay, now it's okay. I think it will be container and will be Windows. Then I'll just keep it not okay. Central region, Central US, and it's too much. I just want a basic. Okay, I think we have a mistake that we have to select code, then our stack, like which language or which server we need. If we host like React or React base in a website, then we must select mode or Node.js. If we use another framework like .NET or anything, then or Java, we just select those. Here I use Node 18. Okay, then I have option like Windows. Okay, here I have a standard $1 CPU, 1 bps. Okay, then just review and create. It will take quite time. Okay, now everything is okay. Just create. It take time because it's going to make a container using Windows server and adding like Node.js and make the environment for the website. So I think it's definitely need time, and it's a natural thing. Okay, it's done. Now we have to go to resource and click it. Here we'll see the all type of information about our web app. So we just get a free domain, and I think here we have now nothing. I just copy paste it and say this is nothing. So for working, we just need to go development tools and advanced tool. Here advanced tool provides the collection of developer. Okay, then I will just go. It will take us on another window like cPanel, and we have here to upload our files. So debug console, and we use CMD like cPanel. Like here it take little time. We got it. We just get a file combination like cPanel, and here we have to go on sites and www root, and here we have just there this website your HTML file. We just remove it, and we have to paste or just drag and drop our website, and our website's HTML or CSS or extra file which is needed. It's just updated. Okay, I have done with the updating the uploaded, and now I will reload this website and this page. I think it's okay. Done. we successfully deploy our website on Microsoft Azure with a free domain name, and it's work little good. I use a free website, free template just for showing how it works, but it's a cute. I think the navigation is really awesome. So I think this is the easiest way to upload your to not upload to deploy your website on Microsoft Azure in a cheapest way. Thank you so much. Hope it will give you something like helpful. It's enough for today. I will see you on next video. Thank you.